Thank you for requesting an instructor review sample of Mujo's curriculum. Soon you will receive an email from one of our curriculum executives with a unique code to review the textbook you requested. If you don't see this email, please check your spam folder. You're going to use this code to redeem on vitalsource.com. If you go to vitalsource.com, you'll see this redeem button in the top right corner. Once you click redeem, you'll be prompted to sign into your VitalSource account or create one. Once you've logged in, copy and paste the code in your email and click redeem. The book will then be hosted on your bookshelf. In your library, you'll see all the book codes that you've redeemed. Once you click into the book, you'll be able to use VitalSource's navigation tools to read through your sample copy. The copy you've been given is a teacher version of the textbook. Take note of all of the blue integrated notes throughout that will help you guide your class. Along with the teacher version of the textbook, you can also have access to review all of our accompanying course resources. To review your classes and gain access to the Teacher Resource Portal, please book a meeting with one of our curriculum executives. We look forward to chatting with you soon.